How to repost a Snapchat Spotlight video. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to discuss about reposting a Snapchat Spotlight video. So here's how you can do that. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch a Snapchat application. Make sure that you've installed the latest version of Snapchat application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now, go ahead and tap on this play icon, which is in the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will be taken to the Snapchat videos section or the spotlight section. Here, select a video that you'd like to share, and then tap on this arrow button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you can simply go ahead and copy the link of this video, or you can share it on your WhatsApp, directly into your Instagram inbox, your messages, Messenger app, Facebook, Telegram, Viber, TikTok, Instagram stories, Linktree, and you can also download this video and send it separately on different social media platforms with your friends, family, and whoever you want. You can also repost this video. So tap on this double arrow button, which is just below the snaps option. Once you do that, there you will see the indication of you reposted in the bottom left corner of the screen. And if you'd like to undo it, you can just simply tap on it again and you'll be done. If you're saving this video and sharing it, do not forget to give credit to the original creator if necessary. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful.